one of the pirate ships of Umbar, one of Sauron's surprise reinforcements, but fortunately commandeered by Aragorn. And these orcs bit off a little more than they could chew with this. The dead men of Dunharrow. Only the true king of Gondor, Aragorn, could command them, and command them he did. Hey, look, it's one of the poor pirates of Umbar, imprisoned in the brig there. He came with the set, so he might as well come along with the ride. Although I'm pretty sure they probably wiped them all out. But anyways, yeah. Pirate ship ambush.